am sharing with you the 7 wearable spring fashion trends for 2021. Wearable being like that key word. Fashion month ended and it was so fun, especially being able to watch from the comfort of your homes. I just had like my laptop and my tea and just snuggled into my bed as I watched these collections go down the runway. And I think that after a year in lockdown, it is very evident that we are just ready for this post-quarantine styling. Majority of us are eager to start dressing up again, and the runways prove that by being exciting and fun and having this almost renewed sense of playfulness in the collections. It was really fun to watch. So you're gonna notice that in the 7 trends that I share today, they also share that common theme of color and fun and playfulness. So let's get into it. The first trend that caught my eye were these sorbet inspired tones. I love them. They were so cheerful and bright. And in my opinion, nothing says spring like pastels. And we were seeing buttercup yellows and mint greens, and Chanel had these incredible 2-piece pastel suits, and Max Mara with their jackets. Like, it was so happy and so cheerful, and it's also a really good color palette that's gonna work for a lot of different people, which is really nice to have. Here I am wearing a bright lilac jumpsuit from Target. It's $39 and it fits so beautifully. These colors are synonymous of happiness. So if you're looking to bring in something new to kind of freshen up your wardrobe, try a sorbet color. Chances are it's gonna look great on you, and I promise you are just gonna feel so much more happy wearing it. For the second trend, I feel like I'm gonna receive a little bit of heat over this, even though I did not decide this, but that is ditching your trusty sweatpants for a statement trouser. After an entire year of leisure wear, it is time to break our dependence on your leggings and your sweatpants. I know it is like a hard cycle to crack. I know it, I get it, but we can do this together. We are seeing a big shift from sweatpants to this roomier wide leg trouser. On the runway, Louis Vuitton and Tibi had a lot of beautiful options. And if wide leg isn't comfortable enough, a lot of these silhouettes are designed with a stretch waistband, whether that is elastic or a paper bag waist, which I completely support. Here I am wearing the paper bag tapered pants from Madewell. Madewell does great with jeans, but they also do amazing comfortable trouser options. They are just so good. For this trend, you'll be able to find statement pants in an assortment of fabrics: twill, linen, or silk, even denim. Jeans are very hot this season, especially in a more relaxed fit, which, hey, is not a bad transition from sweatpants. Number 3 is what I like to call the trendy trench coat. We all know that a trench coat is a classic piece, and I love that it's gonna be a staple for the spring and the summer. But this year, we are seeing a vast array of new patterns and colors and textures. If you look at Victoria Beckham or Louis Vuitton, they have used some real creative liberties in their trench coat, but it still has that classic silhouette, which I love. Here, I am wearing a classic trench coat from H&M. It is only $49, and it fits and lays on me so beautifully. This fabric is soft and fluid and not as stiff and rigid as you may normally associate with a trench coat. Honestly, nothing beats a classic, and I am here for this trench. Number 4 is floaty maxi dresses. There was just an abundance of romantic, floor sweeping sheer dresses. Like, can't you just imagine that? They were just that beautiful, and they are comfortable, and they are also glam. You know how much I love my comfort, and you can get that in a maxi dress. Chanel and Elie Saab just rocked the runway with their printed maxi dresses. They were so romantic, and the prints and the patterns and the cutouts and the silhouettes, I mean, it was just so beautiful. And you are gonna find an assortment of these options in your stores this spring. My purple maxi dress is from Anthropologie. I actually bought it in the fall in a red and was thrilled to see that they released new colors for the spring. This lilac is just so beautiful. It's on trend. The silhouette is going to be flattering on a number of body types, and it's just gonna be a really classic piece. Number 5 are fun textural prints and patterns. Once again, this all goes back to the playfulness that we saw on the runway. Big, bold colors alongside dimension and textures and patterns. There were textural stripes in Dior, modern, vintage florals from Chanel, psychedelic prints and tie-dye. Like there was just so much variety and it was all really happy. Here I am wearing an embroidered knit tee from Anthropologie. I love the color to it and the texture of the embroidery mixed in with the pattern. It's just a very happy top and it makes me feel so much more happy and bright when I wear it. I just love how clothing can have that effect on your personality and just really elevate it or suppress it depending on what you're wearing. Number 6 is voluminous sleeves and silhouettes. We saw that puff sleeve trend pop back up in 2018 and every season since, it's just been reimagined. Tweaked a little bit, but it hasn't gone anywhere and it's not gonna go anywhere for at least another season. If you haven't hopped on board yet, come join the train. This season is different though, because it's not just the volume in the sleeves that we're seeing, but we are seeing structured volume throughout the entire silhouette. I love these balloon puff sleeves from Elie Saab and the structured volume in Balmain. It's just all so beautiful and it's here to stick around for a little bit. Here I am wearing a sorbet colored sweater from Topshop. It has voluminous sleeves. They're not crazy, but they definitely are current. As you wear this trend in your day-to-day, be aware of your proportions and strive to keep them balanced. For example, if you have wider hips, maybe you're a triangle, then wearing sleeves that have volume are gonna create an hourglass silhouette and make you visually more balanced and proportionate. So when you wear this trend, think about what this volume is gonna do to your body and to your proportions. The last and final trend is oversized boyfriend jackets or blazers. Now this trend is a continuation from last year. We saw it all over the place. It's not going away anytime soon. And thank goodness, I love them and I have invested in them. One thing that I love about the oversized blazer is that it is flattering, especially if you are on the shorter side. It is gonna create this one long line silhouette. It's also really fun to play with your shape and your proportions, especially if you get a big, strong shoulder in there. Now, this is a very easy look to rock paired with straight or skinny jeans. You could even pair it with shorts, like leather shorts. Oh, I just love that juxtaposition between the hard and the masculine, but also the feminine. It just creates a lot of depth in your outfit. And then the other thing that we are seeing with these blazers is the color and texture. There's a lot of it, especially like this pink one that I have from And Other Stories. I love the pattern and the color. It's a high quality jacket that's not gonna break the bank, so make it fun. Layer it up for that effortlessly chic look. All right, y'all, those are my 7 wearable spring fashion trends. I hope this was informative and helpful and a little fun for you. I hope it can help you get excited for the spring and to get you out of your leggings and into something cute and fresh and new. If you learned something, please give my video a like and subscribe. Join my YouTube family. Thanks for watching and stick around for my next video.